What is Salesforce Field Service Lightning? Field Service Lightning is a brilliant tool capable of managing work orders, scheduling, and the mobile workforce. It allows you to create records that represent your field service technicians, dispatchers, and agents. Records also include details of their skills, location, and availability. Field Service Lightning has the following key features. Work orders. Create work orders for your clients. Add your field agents' skills for speeding up the scheduling process by identifying technicians with the needed skills. The work order line items allow users to explain their requirements to technicians explicitly. It also contains pricing, and each line item can be assigned to the most appropriate technician. Appointment calendar. A useful appointment calendar is vital because it helps to improve a team's productivity. To achieve this, the appointment schedule needs to be done smartly through Field Service Lightning tools. The Dispatcher Console is the tool dispatchers use to schedule appointments, book instant appointments, and dispatch technicians. More importantly, it dispatches the right service appointment to the most suitable technician on time. Time tracking. Timesheet plays a significant role in tracking the time a technician starts and completes a job. Real-time monitoring, employee tracking, and the use of timesheets improve technicians' overall productivity. Technicians record their working hours as well as their break hours and travel time. Timesheet entries technicians also add the time spent on each work order line item. Mobile app. The mobile app makes it easy for technicians to collaborate with the office teams when they are on site. It allows the technicians to get needed directions when they are on site. The Field Service mobile app was created for work order execution, job information. Hence, it doesn't show reports, accounts, dashboards, contacts, etc. The offline features of the app allow technicians to perform their jobs in non-network regions. When technicians open the FSL app, they can easily find the calendar with scheduled jobs. The app can also suggest the best route a technician should follow to get to their destination on time and who they should contact for more job details. It is super fast and can display the previous tasks completed by technicians. To know more, keep looking for our videos or book a session with our Salesforce experts at sales@sinotech.com.